Demonstration is using a Wick style sealing wax. This is our Waterstons Sealing Wax from Scotland. It's all handmade in beautiful vibrant colors. This is their red. So to use it, I'm going to light the end as if I'm just burning a candle, and I'm going to let that burn down. What we want to see is the flame continuing and a small bit of wax starting to pool and melt here at the end. And I'm going to give that some time, really let the flame take to the wick and melt some wax. Okay, now I'm going to tip it at a slight inclination to my project. What I don't want is the flame overlapping the end of the wax like this, which can cause the wax to scorch or get some soot in it from the wick. So if I hold it this way, the flame is just next to the wax, it's not lapping at it, and I'm going to move this around. I don't want to drip the wax in this sense because that's going to allow the wax that's fallen to cool. What I want to do is keep the wick and the melting area close to what is pooling on my project and just let it pull off. This is helps speed up the wax coming off of the stick, helps keep it hot and ready to take an impression. Okay, I like this area. This is roughly the diameter of my stamp, which means it'll have enough to extrude out the edge and not be too thin in the center. So I'm going to blow out my stick and just rest it here on my cloth. It's a little smoky, but not acrid. It's not an unpleasant smell. Now this is a very tacky wax, so I'm just going to breathe on it as if I were cleaning my glasses and create a vapor barrier. And just let it set for a few moments to take the impression. And lift straight up. And there's my impression. This wax takes a wonderful, crisp impression. If you find that it's sticking to your wax face, you can either, one of our favorite things here in the studio is to take a freezer pack and just let your seal rest on that before you emboss it. Cooling the seal helps set the wax very quickly, and it really does help prevent it from sticking to your seal face. Also, we sell a silicone non-stick product that you would dab your seal into, and I'll have another video on that. So thank you for joining me.